Don't say, I don't know. Fluent English beats me. Don't say, it's very easy. Fluent English, it's a piece of cake. Don't say, I'm listening carefully. Fluent English, I'm all ears. Dawn. Say, calm down. Fluent English, take it easy. Don't say, be patient. Fluent English, hang in there. Don't say, let's leave. Fluent English, let's head out. Don't say, hurry up. Fluent English, step on it. Don't say, I understand. Fluent English, got it. Don't say, that's obvious. Fluent English, it's crystal clear. Don't say, good luck. Fluent English, break a leg. Don't say, I'm very busy. Fluent English, I've got a lot on my plate. Don't say, I'm very tired. Fluent English, I'm worn out. Don't say, I'm very confused. Fluent English, I'm lost. Don't say, I'm very happy. Fluent English, I'm over the moon. Don't say, I'm very excited. Fluent English, I can't wait. Don't say, I'm very nervous. Fluent English, I'm on edge. Don't say, I'm very surprised. Fluent English, I'm blown away. Don't say, I'm very angry. Fluent English, I'm furious. Don't say, I'm very hungry. Fluent English, I'm starving. Don't say, I'm very cold. Fluent English, I'm freezing. Don't say, that's impossible. Fluent English, not in a million years. Don't say, that's a great idea. Fluent English, that's brilliant. Don't say, that's very funny. Fluent English, that's hilarious. Don't say, that's very beautiful. Fluent English, that's stunning. Don't say, that's very interesting. Fluent English, that's fascinating. Don't say, I agree. Fluent English, couldn't agree more. Don't say, maybe. Fluent English, it's possible. Don't say, of course. Fluent English, absolutely. Don't say, no problem. Fluent English, no worries. You're doing great. Don't say, goodbye. Fluent English, take care. Repeat after me, take care. Are you learning something new? Keep practicing with me. Don't say, it's very hot. Don't say, I'm ready. Say, I'm all set. Repeat after me, I'm all set. Don't say, I'm leaving. Say, I'm heading out. Repeat after me, I'm heading out. Don't say, I made a mistake. Say, my bad. Repeat after me, my bad. Don't say, that's correct. Say, spot on. Repeat after me, spot on. Don't say, I agree. Say, couldn't agree more. Repeat after me, couldn't agree.